Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of 1-2 Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to view messages on Zedge. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to view the messages on Zedge, you just simply have to open the Zedge application at first, and after opening the Zedge application, this tab will appear into here. Now into this tab, you won't see any option for the messages, and even after going into your profile section you will not see messages option directly. Now the catch here is whenever you will get a message, you will get a notification and messages can be opened from there only. In order to view or open messages, you just simply have to tap into this notification section and you can see all of the messages that you get into here. By following these very easy steps, you can easily view the messages on the Zedge application. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.